In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and logos in Looker Studio reports. Whether you're looking to enhance your data presentation with visuals or need to integrate brand logos, incorporating images can significantly improve the look and feel of your reports. Let's dive into the steps. To start, you'll want to navigate to Looker Studio, which is your primary platform for creating reports. Once you have your report open, you'll find the image icon right in the toolbar at the top. Click on this icon and you'll see some options pop up. This will allow you to either upload an image directly from your computer or paste an image URL from the web. If you choose to paste a URL, make sure it leads directly to the image file for best results. Once you've selected your image source, click either Select or press Enter. Within moments, you'll see your image appear on the report canvas. From here, you can click on the image to drag it into place or resize it by adjusting the corners or sides to meet your needs. Alternatively, there's a second method you might find even more straightforward, which is the drag and drop method. This is as simple as opening your report and having your desired image readily available on your computer or from a web page. You simply click and drag the image file from its current location directly onto the report canvas. Again, from here, you can reposition and resize the image just like before. This method is particularly useful if you have multiple images you want to insert quickly. For those of you who use image data from other sources, there's a third method via Looker Studio's data connectivity. Let's say, for instance, you have a chart already on your report. Within the Available Fields panel on the right, look for an image URL field relevant to your data, such as Add Creative Image URL. Once identified, click on the link icon next to the URL field. In the drop-down menu that appears, change the type to URL and set the data type to image. This will render the image directly on your chart, enriching your data visualization. Now, once you have your images on the report, you might want to customize them. You have the freedom to refine how these images look. To resize and move the image, simply click and drag to suit your layout. By choosing the Preserve Aspect Ratio option in the style settings, you can ensure that your images maintain their original proportions and don't appear distorted. If you'd like to add a bit more detail, go to the style panel where you can add borders or change background colors to make your images stand out. Lastly, if you want your image to serve as a hyperlink, just paste the URL into the image properties and it will become clickable. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively add any image or logo you want in Looker Studio, enhancing your reports visually and making them more engaging for your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time.